Are your mornings always rushed? Then these 10 high-fiber breakfasts are perfect for you, delicious, easy, and ready to grab when you wake up. Number 1. Overnight oats. Mix oats, chia seeds, and milk, leave it overnight. In the morning, top with fruits or nuts for extra fiber and flavor. Number 2. Chia pudding. Soak chia seeds in almond milk overnight. Add honey and berries in the morning. Creamy, filling, and fiber-rich. Number 3. Quinoa breakfast bowl. Cook quinoa, store it, and add fruits, nuts, and yogurt in the morning, a great gluten-free fiber boost. Number 4. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer yogurt, granola, and fiber-rich fruits like raspberries or kiwi in a jar. Quick, fresh, and satisfying. Number 5. Oat muffins. Bake a batch of whole oat muffins on Sunday, full of fiber, perfect for busy mornings all week. Number 6. Smoothie packs. Pre-pack fruits, spinach, and flax seeds in freezer bags. In the morning, blend with milk or yogurt, instant fiber drink. Number 7. High-fiber breakfast burritos. Wrap scrambled eggs, beans, and veggies in whole grain tortillas. Store in the fridge and reheat in the morning. Number 8. Overnight barley porridge. Barley has more fiber than oats. Soak it overnight with milk and cinnamon, creamy and nutritious. Number 9. Baked oatmeal cups. Combine oats, banana, and nuts. Bake and refrigerate. Just reheat for a quick fiber-rich bite. Number 10. Flaxseed energy balls. Mix oats, flax seeds, peanut butter, and honey. Roll into balls, no cooking needed. Start your mornings the smart way, fiber keeps you full, focused, and energized all day. Which one will you try first?